Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have a Chevy Malibu 2016, and the problem in this car is the steering column is electric. There is no more power steering pump. Even rack and pinion, yes, rack and pinion is available, but they changed the power steering system to electric, and that not only on GM, on Ford, Mercedes-Benz, and BMW. They have it for a long time ago, and that's the new way of technology, the past, the present, the future. Now, when you change the steering column module, which instead of putting power steering pump, turn by belt, put fluid, they eliminate all this. They put something like a starter in front of here on this. So this is the steering column. Let me show you now. This is steering column now is very heavy. It doesn't tear. You see, like a stone. Even if you start the car, it's stone. And here it says service power steering. When you put a new one, it will not work. You have to program it. So you have to go and pay subscription from TIS to web, which is GM website. You put your VIN number, your information. It will give you all the files. Then you're going to choose the file you want to program the car with. Right now, I put the VIN number, the car information. I know you cannot see, it's not clear, but the idea is that you must have a laptop, and also you must have something called MDI 1 or 2 comparable. You see now there is some recall or anything, it will show you. I will say okay, it's gonna open soon. Okay, let me see. I don't know, I close that one and then I see that it's supposed to come up. Okay, I'm gonna start again. I don't know where that one goes. Keep. I don't know why the system shut off, but let's see again. Okay, tools. Program AC. Program, now click next. So we're gonna choose Chevrolet 2016 car Malibu. Okay, I'm gonna click next. We're gonna go to power steering. Look here and choose the one you need it. Transmission, side objects, seat, radio, power steering. Programming, prepare, measure, remove, no programming. You can prepare to remove it too. You can program it, then configure it. All this have to be done here and set it up. I want to see if we have a programming if it's done. Then we're gonna do configuration and setup. All you have to do it through here. Okay, there's a software there. I'm gonna go ahead, program it. After the programming, you have to do configuration. After configuration, then you have to do the setup. Now I'm in a programming mode. You see, we download the software from the server. So we are waiting now to download it into the steering column. You see, it's coming down. It's not clear, but the idea, you already have it. You can pay $45 or more to get the subscription. Is go for VIN, by VIN number now. Before you pay subscription, for 3 days you do whatever you want to do. Now it's kind of different. but you need to do this one. You need, if you work a lot in GM, have a subscription is good. After this one finish, you have to go back and do the configuration. You have the choice to do it through two ways. Now I'm done. You're gonna proceed with the same one. Say next. Go to the same place again. And now configuration. I don't know configuration and setup is different or not, I'm not sure. I'm gonna do configuration, but I believe configuration and setup you can do it through GDS too. Because sometimes you don't have GDS, they make it easy for you through here. Launching a special application, please wait. You see? Performing ECU configuration. It's done. So you don't have to stop here. Go again, same. Let me start it first. You see nothing is there, everything gone. Let me start it. Okay, turn the ignition off. Let me come back again. Okay, you see now? Beautiful. But still, before you cannot turn, before like a stone. Now I see I have steering assist, reduce drive care. I want to get this one. Maybe I have to go back again and do setup. Also I gotta go to steering again. Now I want to do setup. Setup also something maybe different. Next. Hit launch. He said, please wait. See, now everything look okay. I don't know it take long like that. If I don't get it here, I will go and do it by other means. Maybe it take long before it happen. Push the key for long. Don't remove your hand till ignition come on. Okay, again. Did it? Yeah. But I believe there is nothing here. I'm gonna close this because it looks like it freeze. It's freeze. So what do you need to do? Leave it, come to GDS. Maybe I will get something from GDS. GDS is a new platform from 2013 on app cars. So I'm gonna open it, and then from there I will see what if there is anything on the steering column. Just I want to do the setup through here. GDS is only application and you have to renew it every 30 days. So nobody have to copy the software and go and use it like what they do with Ford and other. You see, I have 13 days left, so I'm gonna click on diagnose. Then I gotta say enter. I already have the VIN number, everything there. Then I click yes. I click yes. So they sell the computer. Okay, now I'm gonna go module diagnosis. I need power, transmission, steering control module. Open it. Now I'm gonna go to configuration and reset function. Steering angle soft, power steering stop layer, steering wheel angle. So I'm gonna learn all of them. I'm gonna do the first one. Okay, so I'm gonna close all the doors and then see what's gonna happen. Hello? 1 second. That's okay. So I'm gonna close all the doors and I'm gonna play with driver door. Have to be closed and open and close. So I'm gonna go inside. Okay, let's go now. Turn the ignition off, remove the key, turn the ignition off, open the driver door, I open it, close it. This progress. Ignition have to be off, power steering soft, stop, test, reset. Wow. We have to do this work. You want it? And that's where the good tools is very important. Dealer tools, it will give you a lot of option. I don't know how long, but you see it now what it does. Ignition on. Continue. Procedure complete. Oh, exit procedure. Power steering soft tab layer. This is another one. Align for front wheel straight and center. Yeah. Steering wheel angle sensor centering. You have to center it. Close that door because they need me to close. You want me to put the window down? Huh? I put the window down for you.
Okay.
Because they say they have to close it.
Mm-hmm.
So now steering angle sensor centering. Because you have a steering angle sensor and code there.
Okay.
Now it's gone. Okay. Turn the ignition off, open the close driver door, please continue. Okay. Turn the key off. Open the driver door. Close it. Now, after pressing continue, wait. Procedure complete. You shall wait, everything have to shut down. Okay, everything shut down. Now what do you have again? believe we did this one. Center the steering wheel 5 and 5 degree. Okay, now you see. Okay, what's gonna happen? I don't know. Start engine. You say remove hand. My hand is up. Now continue. Left till it stop position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the steering wheel until you reach the stop position. Now center it. 1, 2. Want to be sure it's centered or not. No. It's center. See? Okay. Turn the key off. Turn the key off. Open, close driver door. Power steering is top layer. So you have to do all this. If you don't do it, it will not work. My video is not clear. This is the beginning. Soon, if everything goes well, I'm gonna try to have a photographer that he can do all the video clearly, and we can do all this beautiful, and we're gonna enjoy our things. Please subscribe and share. Subscribe, share, and like, please. And